morning, student. Hope you all are happy and healthy. In previous classes, we learned about air. Now, today our chapter is water. We will know about water. So, student, when you feel thirsty, what you will do? You will take water for the drinking. Now, here our chapter is water. All living things need water to live and grow. First of all, we will know about living things. Living things. What is the living things? Things which can grow, move, breathe and reproduce are called living things. That means, for example, people, plants, animals, and we will know about the non-living things. Non-living things which cannot grow, move, breathe and reproduce are called non-living things. They do not have any kinds of life in them. For example, bucket, chair, table, your pencil, bags. Now, we will know about the uses of water. Here given, human beings need water. First use of water for drink and second use of water for bath and third is washing clothes and fourth use is cooking. We can also use water for cooking. Without water we can't cook anything. Students, animals need water for drinking. Students, animals also need water. I already told you that all living things need water for live and grow. So, animal need water for drinking. Now, see here the picture. A cow is drinking water and dog and horse and fish live in water. Fish can't live without water. You can see the picture. Fish live in water. And next, watering plants. That means plants also want to take water. Now, next we will know about sources of water. Sources of water. What is the source of water? Sources of water, we get water from rain. Okay, next lake, pond, river, ocean. Rain is the main source of water on earth. We dig wells and set up hand pumps to get the underground water. Underground water we get from well, tube, hand pump, and which is the main source of water? The rain is the main source of water. See, here is clouds and rain drops. Rain is the main source of water. Student, next we will know how do we clean water to make it fit for drinking. We can clean water to make fit for drinking. First we will do boiling and using water filter. Water is very precious, so we should use it very carefully. Student, we should always use water very carefully because water is very precious thing. Okay, some do and does not of using water. What should do and what should do not. Okay, now get leaky taps repair and don't leave the taps open when not in use. When we will not use the taps, we should always close the taps. Now second, keep some buckets outside while it is raining to store rainwater. We can also store the rainwater to store water by using buckets and tubs and tank. Now next, what we should do? Use the water left in your water bottles to water plants. Students, you all used water bottles, so You use the water left in your water bottles to water plants. Use buckets, mugs to wash car and for watering plants instead of pipes. And here you can see pollute the water bodies at its affect the water plants and animals. And what should not do? Waste water. I also told you that water is very precious, so use water very carefully. Now student, it's your homework. Okay, now give a few reasons why water is important for in your life. And next you have to write in your notebook, name any name any 4 sources of water, uses of water, and write any 3 names of the underground water with picture. Thank you.